Kotlin properties can't be left uninitialized, remember? Otherwise, we have to make it nullable and initialize it with null. What if we are 100% sure that our property will be initialized before being used, and we don't want to lose all the null safety goodies? We have to promise the compiler with lateinit modifier. Then we are allowed to initialize it later. Now what if someone tries to access it before being initialized? It throws an initialized exception instead of null pointer exception. So how should we check if it is uninitialized if we can't access it with confidence? We have to use reflection and ask the property itself. One last thing, primitive types like Boolean and integers cannot be left uninitialized. For more videos and to see all these in action in a real-world Kotlin application written from scratch, head to our YouTube channel.